Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Panama together. This is Dona Elvira from the JARAMILLO region. The variety is GEISHA and the process is an anaerobic natural process. For more details on this premium rarity, please visit our webshop. To get the best out of our premium rarity Dona Elvira, we recommend this recipe. You need 190 grams of third wave water at 92 degrees Celsius in your kettle. Prepare 12 grams of coffee and grind them on click 18 on your Comandante. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the filter paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your brewing equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for a complete even extraction. This ratio supports an intense body in your cup. The first pour. 30 grams of water over 7 seconds in circular pouring for the blooming phase, to get the coffee wet and to release the CO2 from the roast process. After 30 seconds, the second pour. 70 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring, to release all the fruity and sweet flavors of Dona Elvira. After 1 minute, the third and last pour of 90 grams over 15 seconds starts in rather active circular pouring for a rich and balanced body. Swirl at 1 minute 40 for an even extraction. The total brew time is 3 minutes and 15 seconds. A wonderful scent of jasmine starts the experience, followed by the flavors of strawberry, cherry, peach with the sweetness of toffee in a balanced and intense cup with a lovely malic acidity. Enjoy!